Next working set natin, server helio, superset tayo ulit. So ngayon naman pagsasamahin na natin yung biceps and the triceps. So dalawang magkaibang workout. Superset din tayo. Parang yung first working set natin. So hammer curls naman tayo. So kung yung unang workout natin na curls is palms facing forward ngayon, parallel. Okay? Magkaharap sila. And then importante dito po is yung grip natin, wrist natin is neutral. Hindi siya magtutwist. Okay po? Keeping it safe. Grip natin ng maigi yung dumbbell sa pag-hammer curl. Okay? Tapos, switch tayo right after sa overhead extensions. Pakita natin. Weight pala natin is 15 to 20, 25, or yun, 10 to 25 yung range natin. So, check din natin, sir. Alright? Again, set natin. Paa. Start tayo sa base. Knees, butt, abs, up, shoulders natin up, back and down, towards your spine, lifting chest, tapos, starting natin yung dumbbell nasa side. Okay? Keep it close to your body as much as possible po. Then, exhale up, inhale down. Exhale, inhale. Okay? Always keep your feet grounded po. Exhale up. So, quick yung pagtaas, slow pagbaba. Alright? Quick and slow. Elbows natin, point sa likod pag nakababa yung dumbbell, tapos points down, pointing down. Inhale, exhale up. Alright? So for this one, we're gonna be gunning for 12 repetitions pa rin. Tapos, konting breather lang, then switch tayo sa triceps, superset niya. Dito hawak naman po natin. Same weight. Or you could go heavy, a little heavy. It's okay po. So yan. Ipit natin dito between your thumb and index finger. So ganyan. Dalawang kamay. Then overhead. Alright. Dali natin dyan. Ito yung form natin. Same base sa legs, abs and shoulders. Inhale down. Exhale up. Alright. So dito po, gusto natin elbow close to your head, and then elbows pointing forward. Okay, forearm malapit sa ulo. So, inhale, exhale up. Inhale, all the way down, exhale up. Again, 12 repetitions. Same with your hammer curls. So, slow, 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 quick. Slow, 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 quick. So, check, iiwasan natin yung mag-open na ganyan. So, delikado sa shoulders and sa ulo. Okay pa? So, keep it forward, up. Alright? So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung motion niya is pag ganito. Isolating the triceps. So, sabihin na po na work yung magkabilang triceps natin. And sa hammer curls naman, target niya is yung brachialis more. Yung sa labas po. Para, syempre, mas magandang nakikita pagka big bike na kayo. Kung sakaling nakasando or shirt lang.